You're ready to install your first seam bracket. With planks tightly butted together, position your seam bracket centered across the nail hems of the adjoining planks and secure the bracket with the seam bracket screws. Each plank receives 2 screws. Only use the screws that come with the seam bracket kit. These screws will only penetrate into the siding. Do not use screws that will penetrate into the wall. The planks are now properly seamed. All subsequent butt joints must be secured together in this manner. Everlast siding seams do not require flashing, and caulking should never be used with the Everlast system. Some installers find it easier to pre-install one side of the seam bracket before sliding and butting the next plank into place. This method is acceptable.